Alright guys, we made it. We are at OSW Black Friday, and it's a 3-day event. I've been trying to make this event for months and months. That's just crazy, I'm here. So, the car is done. I didn't film last night, but the car was running great. Had no issues, knock on wood. Wait, I'm knocking on wood. But yeah, the car's been running great. It's a very fun time. It feels so good to drive. I'm so stoked, I'm really relieved. A lot of stress is gone, I'm having a lot of fun. And my only stress reliever is drifting. So like, it's a really good feeling to actually have some fun for once. So, car's right here. It's running good. I just want to give a huge shout out to all my sponsors real quick, especially Fisch Racing Tech, because if it wasn't for them, I would not be driving right now. And I'm driving, and they gave me the best kit on the market, and I'm stoked. Fisch Racing suspension, bell race for the cage, Kansai for the wheels, awesome Kansai tandems. Love these freaking wheels, and spec tune for tuning my car. Anybody in Florida, if you want your car tuned, spec tune for sure. The car's running great, hasn't been getting hot, feels really good. But yeah, I'm stoked. So pretty much my car's running great, it feels great, but my gearing is my issue. I'm gonna try and do third gear stuff today, in a second mostly. But yeah, I really need to get a different gearing so I can have a longer second. I'm gonna try some third gear stuff today, see if it works. But my GoPro SD card is at home, so I'm gonna try and get my dad to bring my GoPro SD card so I can get some GoPro footage. But I don't have it right now, so I'm gonna try and find someone to film for me outside the car. So it's my first time actually driving more than 2 laps with a cage, and I will say, driving with a cage is absolutely freaking amazing. Like, the car feels so much more sturdy, feels solid, feels awesome. So I'm really stoked about that. But yeah, it's a great time. I'm gonna have a lot of fun. But shout out to Adam. Shout out to freaking LZ, the boss, my best friend, one of those, you know, whatever you want to call it. Let us have the rig for the whole weekend, but he didn't really let us have it. He let us stay in there. Me and Pat are in there staying. But we did the whole FD rig to ourselves pretty much, because he's going to Cletus and cars. But yeah, got the rig here, got to sleep in that, got a whole bunch of space, and it's relaxing. The AC is awesome. It's a lot of fun. It's the wrong car.
What?
It's the wrong car.
I have a car.
She's back.
It is me.
Last night we had a few tandem runs that were, you know, door to door, lots of fun. But I haven't driven in like forever, but like, so being on Matt's door is a lot of fun. Now, okay, you can rub mine, but just don't dent it, please.
Hit it?
Okay, yeah, sure, yeah.
Which side?
No, we're good. but I have to kind of stay in second, tandeming, because I know if I go in third, like following someone, I'm gonna be bogging out. But man, car's running awesome. It's not getting too hot. It's not getting too hot, and it's amazing. I'm driving right now, just like, dude, it feels so good. I'm so stoked. It's amazing. It's awesome. All right, I want this over here. Oh, all right. So you got Christian and his Z, Clark and his 86. All right. Oh, there's Jason.
You gonna drive?
We're here. We're here. Yeah, Clark's actually driving. If you guys didn't know, he got in a pretty bad accident. This thing was fucking donezo. But cool enough, he got another front clip from another car, cut the old shit off, put the whole new front clip on, welded it back together, and the car's back to normal. That's impressive. I'm proud of you. Oh yeah, and he got new gearing too, and it fucking shreds, and it revs really high, and it sounds hilarious.
Sounds like a Honda.
No, it doesn't really. It doesn't sound like a Honda. It doesn't. It has a cool tone, so it's sick. But we're all driving today. It's gonna be a lot of fun, so I'm ready to drive. But my GoPro SD card's at home, so I have to find someone to film outside clip for me. What's up, guys? I've been doing a terrible job at filming this weekend. I've been really hyped and really excited to drive, so I've just been driving. I have a lot of iPhone clips I can put in the video, but today I'll do more filming, but I've been really excited to drive. That's all I've been doing. I've kind of been lost in the best way, as in like lost as in just driving, not focusing on filming. I know it sucks, but the Fisch Racing Tech adapter kit is amazing. I've had no issues this weekend. It's been great, running great. But now, I'm about to go drive a really cool car that I've been wanting to test out and drive for a long time now. I'm gonna go drive. I'll tell you, you'll see it right now. All right, guys, this is the car I've been wanting to drive for a while. C6 vette. I'm really curious how it's gonna feel, but here we go.
Harness is maybe a little tight. So let's push the start actually. Right
Oh,
here.
really?
Yeah, so clutch in.
Yeah.
And that clutch is really hard.
Yeah, it is.
Reverse is, let me do it actually, it's all the way over. Oh, there you go. So
right.
it's in reverse.
One more glove, hang on.
You're good.
Holy shit, that clutch is crazy.
Yeah, so someone changed the clutch master to
Right.
and it's like braided clutch lines and everything.
Gotcha.
I've never driven one that was quite the way it is. You
Good?
should be good, yep. You're good.
Good?
That's it. Yeah, you're good now. Nope, you're good.
Oh, it's easy. It's heavy, but it's easy.
It's actually really nice. The pedal is stiff, but the clutch
Right.
itself isn't.
Any recommendations?
No, I wouldn't clutch kick.
No, I'm just gonna e-brake entry.
Yeah, if you clutch kick, it's
Back
just
end
a
wipes
lot of
out.
torque. Yeah, so
You in second or third gear?
second. Yep, keep it in second. It'll hit limiter in second on the oval, but not
Right.
out here.
Sick. I'm really excited. I've been wanting to see how this feels for
It's
so long.
really smooth. I tell you, it's a good time.
Yeah. This is sick. Appreciate it.
Yeah, turn the AC on if you want to.
AC, radio, leather everywhere.
Yep.
It looks great condition. It's like brand new.
Yeah, and I can't complain. The oil pressure sensor's broken, and they put it under the intake manifold.
Oh,
so
God.
to replace the oil pressure sensors, like
Right.
2 or 3 hour job, and I
Yeah.
just haven't brought myself to do it. But
Yeah, I don't blame you.
other than that, it's like it's a good time.
What size tires on it?
255. It's a 20 psi in the back.
What kind of tire?
Achilles ATR Sport. Been working well.
It's inline?
Yeah, it's in line. Yeah. It's only like like one dual caliper option for it so far, and
Right.
it's too much money at this point to justify.
What engine? LS what?
It's LS2.
2, right.
Yeah, and so we pulled all the fuses on the ABS and traction control and stuff.
Sick.
And only has a check engine light because of O2 sensors. But other than that, it's like healthy. So
How's the big steering wheel?
yeah. So I have a wheel for it. I
Right.
just ran out of time.
Right. I
That's
feel
the
you.
last thing. Yeah. I don't actually hate it though. Like when I'm
Right.
driving, it's not too bad.
Is there any over like the full lock? It gets stuck at all?
No, it doesn't ever go to full lock.
Okay.
It doesn't self-steer a lot.
It doesn't?
No, and that's just something in the Corvettes that
So you gotta work it.
so it'll flick in a little bit, but not all the way. It'll flick in more than enough than you like.
So I got a little bit
you
of
may
throw.
have to put a little bit of a wheel into it.
It's Shulman! Trying the C6 out.
Huh?
Trying the C6 out.
This is your first time?
The C6, yeah.
Yeah.
I want to feel what it feels it's like.
You're gonna buy one after this.
I know, I'm really fucking excited.
Yeah, this car seems.
What you say?
This car seems like it works well. It's
Yeah.
real simple.
Yeah, I'm really excited. Just angle, handbrake, and that's it.
Yeah. That's all it needs.
Yeah. Holy shit! That is way too good! That is way too good! What the fuck? No fucking way! Oh my god! No way! That's incredible! Bro.
Let's hop in for a second.
Yeah, dude. Bro.
How to drive?
Oh my
Good?
god. Oh my god.
Isn't it fun?
It's incredible. Hey, put 265 Bolino Grivas
Yeah.
at like 20.
I was gonna go to the 265 Kenda KR20s.
Oh, that
but
too?
Sure.
Bro, I can't believe it.
For
I
like
cannot
almost, and
believe
the
it.
brakes aren't bled. It's not even like fine tuned, right?
Dude, it's
like,
crazy.
So it's cool.
Did
I really
did it
enjoyed
look good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Bro,
Yeah.
I'm shocked.
Yeah. What? Is there anything you don't like about it?
No.
Yeah.
Like,
I
not
do
at
like
all.
tire pressures and stuff, just not enough grip.
What's that right now?
It's 255 on ATR Sport, but it's on 20 PSI.
Shit, I'd go to like 10 and 15.
That's what the other guy was saying. He's like, go to 15.
Yeah, dude.
So.